Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Discord verification could not receive problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to phone settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps option. Tap on search bar, search for Discord. Tap on Discord. Tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down. Then tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permission option. And first last allow all permission. First camera allow, back. Second contacts allow, back. Microphone allow, back. Another music and video allow. Notifications, turn on notifications or enable, back. Photos and videos allow. Okay, all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Discord. Now tap on Discord and check update your Discord app. My Discord app already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open and tap on register option. And now enter your phone number here and next. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share now.